What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Best Cover 12. So the Best Cover 12 works with any powered or passive 12-inch speaker. So I have a 12-inch passive speaker here and a 12-inch powered speaker here to show you how to use the Best Cover 12 with both. So when you're ready to cover up your speaker, you can just take your bag here and you're going to look at the bottom and you'll see that you have these two straps here which Velcro on the bottom of the speaker. So we're gonna wanna make sure that those are open first before placing the bag over the speaker. And once that's open, you can just take the cover and place it right over the speaker and bring the cover all the way down to fully cover the speaker. From here, we can take the speaker and actually place it upside down so that we can secure it using the bottom straps like I mentioned before. So I can take the non-sticky Velcro here, place it over the speaker, and if I have a little remaining Velcro left, I can just stuff that inside the bag along with the speaker, just like that. So then I can take the sticky Velcro and place that over the first Velcro. And again, if I have more remaining, I can just stuff that inside of the bag. And you can set these as wide or as tight as you want, depending on the width of your speaker. Now, there's actually a few different openings here on the bag, so we can still carry the speaker around once it's covered up. So if we take a look at the top of the speaker, you'll see we have this opening here that we can open up, and this will reveal the top handle of the speaker, so we can grab the handle and bring the speaker along with us while it's covered up. And there's also these openings here on each side of the bag, which will reveal the handles on each side of the speaker so we can carry it that way as well. We also have these zippers here on top of the cover so that this way we can pull the speaker out from the top whenever we're ready to set the speaker up. You can also use this opening to access the trolley handle of your speaker. And if your 12-inch speaker was more on the taller side, we actually have these two zippers here on the bottom of the cover that when opened will expand the length of the cover so that you have your speaker fully covered. So if you wanted to use the Best Cover 12 with a 12-inch powered speaker, the steps are going to be the exact same. Going to take the cover and place it over the speaker like this. Flip it upside down to secure the Velcro on the bottom. Again, if you need to access the handle on top, you can use the top opening to do that. And if you needed to access the handles on each side of the speaker, you can open up these side openings also. And again, if you wanted to pull out the speaker from the top, you can use the zippers on top here, which will reveal the top of the speaker, so you can just pull it out. And again, if you wanted to expand the length of the cover, you can use these two zippers here on the bottom, open them up, and then from there you'll be able to expand the length of the cover so that it fully covers your speaker no matter how tall it is. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to use your Best Cover 12, but of course if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.